Hi, this is Murali Krishnan, and today I'm going to share how I made $135 from freelancing. Before I started freelancing, I watched many videos on how to make money online, like many beginners. I explored multiple options, but one day I realized that freelancing was the best choice for me. Why? Because I already had some knowledge of Excel macros and Power BI, which are in high demand. So, based on my skills, I chose a niche and researched various freelancing platforms to find the best place to start. After thorough research, I found that Fiverr is the best option for the beginners. In February 2024, I have created my Fiverr account, and after just 1 month, I started receiving orders. But before I got my first client, I followed these 4 essential steps to succeed on Fiverr. First, pick a niche based on my skill set to ensure I was offering something valuable. I analyzed the demand for Excel macros and Power BI services to confirm that clients were actively looking for them. Instead of offering general Excel services, I focused on automation and data visualization, which helped me to stand out. Second point, created a high quality gig with good title and description. I researched top sellers in my niche and observed how they structure their gig descriptions. I clearly mentioned the problem I solved and how my services benefit the buyers, making my gig more appealing. Third point, design an attractive gig thumbnail and video to grab attention and stand out. I made sure my gig image was professional, visually appealing, and include clear text description of my services. Also, we can add recorded a short introduction video and explain by my skills as Fiverr prioritizing gig with video in such ranking. Fourth point, set competitive price and attract my first few clients and build my foundation. I started with lower price to gain initial reviews and gradually increase my rate as I gained experience. To add more value, I include gig extra like faster delivery and small bonus feature that encourage more orders. If you are just stand out, don't trust the process. Focus on building a strong foundation and success will follow. Want to help you get started on your freelancing journey, so stay tuned, hit like button and subscribe for more videos and tips.